know what? Stay your ass on now. Stay your ass on now. Hey,
They loving my swag. They loving my swag. They loving my swag. Yeah, they loving my dab. They loving my dab. They loving my dab. Jocking my swag.
hey, I am Robert Prumps. PT checking in with y'all. Today, I don't know if it's a prank or whatever I'm about to call it. But before I get into what I'm about to do today, I need you to go like, subscribe, leave a comment. Today, I'm about to have my homeboy Slump come ride with me. He tried to pull a prank on me, y'all. He tried to pull a prank on me. But today, it's raining. And I'm just riding. I just like, you know what? Why not put him in the car with me, let him ride with me to go get some food, and then put his ass out on the freeway. I'm gonna make him think one of my tires is low or on flat, and have him get out and check it, and I'm gonna pull off on his ass. Yeah, I'm gonna pull off on his ass. So guess what? I'm about to pull up on him. He think everything all cool. He think everything all gravy. He think I forgot about the little prank. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't forget about it. So I'm gonna pull up on him. Y'all see this rain out here? Yeah, I know y'all see this rain. I'm gonna have his ass walking out here in it. That's a nice Tesla right there. Nice Tesla right there, right there, right there. Yeah, I hope that boy Slump ready. Big boy better have on a hoodie or something when I get there. Gonna pick this nigga up. And it's raining out here like a motherfucker. I didn't know he talking shit. I just know that was, oh shit. Come on, boy. Come on, my bad, bro. I know it's raining, bro. My bad.
That's me right on.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure?
What's up, brother?
I'm chilling. It's raining like hell, man.
It's raining like a bitch.
It's raining, man. I was here jamming my little bro, little Boo Poppy, man. He really hard.
Oh yeah. He dropping another take.
Yeah. That boy hit me up the other day saying, bro, I need you to sign me to LO, man. I'm Lord Tony.
You tripping for now.
Whole lot of pain and sorrow. Can't let these people come and get close to me. I swear this ain't how it's supposed to be. I can tell a million stories about what I've been through. Like they forgot what I did.
They just stick on what I didn't do.
Niggas used to run with me, but now they see them dissing me. They say when you elevating, they gon' bring some jealousy. Ain't too many show you love when your money low. Even when you fucked up, you can't let it show. No ice, no water, I still had hope. You ain't tryna get no money, what you in it for?
Yeah, brother.
That nigga spazzing. The hump he went over, that puddle or the puddle of water.
Oh no, okay. I thought my tires was wobbling.
Yeah.
Feel like my tires wobbling. My damn tire light just came on.
Oh shit. We should be good, no?
Yeah. I hope we is. Shit, it's raining. We ain't got time for that.
Hey, I feel that.
That was another little hump
This
right
whole
there.
pouring down too. What you been up to though, bro?
Man, I've been chilling, just doing the music and trying to keep my content and shit right. Everything good. The kids.
That's good. Kids doing well.
Yeah, everybody good.
How's your girl's cheerleading?
Oh yeah, she did really good, bro.
Word?
Yeah, she the captain.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Better for me. I've been on the move, yeah, I've been on the go. They talk down on me bad, smile in my face like I don't know. Feeling like more hard confused, don't want to trust no more. Cause I done seen this money change the people I love the most. All around my block, they slanging out and selling dope. And I know my son watching, I gotta show him what I know. I'ma stand out out 10 and never tell him what I know. Cause they niggas got cars and they be talking to them folks. You can't never trust a nigga that be acting like you need them. In the trap, I'm busting plays, I'm busting bands out with my people. When I walk outside the house, I cannot leave without my heater. On my gang, this shit forever, spin no evil, see no evil. I've been on the move, yeah, I've been on the go. They talk down on me bad, smile in my face like I don't know.
They been crazy, bro. I think my damn
nigga spaz.
My damn tires wobbling, bro.
That's why you swerving, bro?
Oh no.
Pull over real quick, bro.
Oh hell nah, niggas raining. We can't pull over.
Bro, we better get on I-10. This nigga trying to.
Damn, bro. Fuck it, bro.
We gonna have to.
Let me see.
Man, we on I-10.
Nigga. The 610.
I-10, 610, it's all the same thing.
Damn, check
the
that
highway.
Check that tire for me, bro. It's raining like a motherfucker.
Damn, bro. Yeah. I think you do got a flat, bro.
Yeah, check that out for you, boy.
Ooh,
That rain, watch that rain, bro. Watch that rain. I got his motherfucking ass. Lock my doors. Get your motherfucking ass out. How about that, Nick? Yeah, how you like that? Yeah!
Bro.
Yeah! Remember that motherfucking shit you did?
Bro, stop playing, it's raining.
I don't give a damn about no rain,
Nigga,
bro.
stop playing, it's
you
raining.
Good? Are you good?
Bro,
Nah,
stop
nigga.
playing, it's
Remember
raining.
that shit? You good? Get the fuck out of my way. Get the fuck out of my way. Oh, yeah. Yeah, nigga. In the rain. In the motherfucking rain, nigga. You mad? You mad? Give him in front of my shit. Give him in front of my shit. Yeah. Fuck that. I don't give a fuck.
You a hoe ass nigga.
I don't give a fuck, nigga.
You a hoe ass
Stay your
nigga.
ass out there.
You a hoe ass nigga.
I'm finna leave your ass.
Bro, open up the door, bro.
I'm finna leave your ass.
Bro, this prank gone too far.
Nah, this prank ain't gone too far at all. This nigga throwing shit. Look at this nigga. This nigga put a crack in my window. God damn. Hey. Oh. You put a crack in my window. You put a crack in my window. Bro, you know what? Stay your ass on now. Stay your ass on now. Stay your ass on now. You gonna stop playing with me? Huh, nigga? Throw your ass over there.
PT dog. Bro, my shoes is muddy. I'm wet. It's raining. I got braids.
Nigga, fuck your hair.
Open the door.
Nah, nigga, fuck your hair.
Bro, come on. Stop playing.
You gonna stop pranking me?
PT, stop playing.
Or you gonna stop pranking
Yes,
me?
I'm gonna stop pranking you.
Yeah,
Open the door. I'm
nigga.
sorry. My fault. All this
Oh,
other
you
shit.
sorry?
I'm gonna stop.
Oh, nigga, sorry now? Oh, nigga said they sorry now.
Bro,
Yeah.
open the door, bro.
I don't give a fuck.
Bro,
You gonna stop pranking me?
bro, I'm wet.
Yeah, soaking
It's
wet.
raining.
You fat ass. You gonna stop
Open
pranking
the door.
me?
I'm gonna show you fat ass. Open the fucking door.
I've been on the move, yeah. I've been on the go.
having ass nigga. Open the door.
Oh, you see?
Yeah, you fabulous ass nigga.
Oh.
Open the damn door. You goddamn sweet tooth, lollipop, Twizzler having ass, long neck, giraffe, Jurassic Park.
Oh.
Oh. Open the door, BD. Open the door.
Oh, look at this nigga. This nigga is getting rained. Oh, man. Yeah, left his ass. He wanna play. He wanna pull pranks and shit like that. No, that nigga gonna be hot, boy. Ooh, he gonna be hot. Ooh, shit. Let me jam before I get to him. See how mad he really be when I get to him, though.
Jurassic Park.
Ooh.
Oh. Open the door, BD. Open the door.
This nigga is getting rained. Oh, man.
Bro.
So you mad, bro?
Bro, drive off.
You mad?
Don't talk to me.
It just started raining. Look. I really saved it. I done picked you up.
PT, don't talk to me.
I did. Ooh,
Take me home.
look at this, bro.
Take me home.
You mad, bro?
Take me home, don't talk to
You
me.
gonna stop pranking? You gonna stop pranking your boy?
Take me home, don't talk to me.
Or you gonna stop pranking your boy, though?
Take me home, do not talk to me.
Aw, man, you gonna stop pranking your boy. You hear that rain? You hear that rain?
I ain't never.
You wanna get out? You wanna get out?
Bruh, take me home. Take me home, bro. Bruh.
Bro, I got an umbrella for you. Get out if you want. You can get out if you want. Oh, you gonna hit me with the umbrella?
You like you the driver.
Hey,
you like you the
but anyway, y'all, this wasn't even a prank. I'm just tired of this nigga. He tried to give me with something real bad.
Word?
Yeah, nigga, it's on. You see the red light? Yeah, it's on.
Pull up to this gas station.
No. Boy, hey, I bet you will do another prank on the nigga again, man.
Do another prank.
That's crazy. You thirsty?
Stop the request. Stop the car. Stop the car.
Where we going?
Stop the
Oh, yeah, get some. You left some in.
Yeah, I'll let some in here.
Oh, go get your shit.
This is what I'm about to do to your ass.
That's crazy. Go get your shit, bro. That's crazy, bro.
I know you got them hands, right?
Whatever. Where you going? Oh, you trying to catch one? That's crazy.
Nah,
what's
bro.
the problem, bro?
Bitch ass niggas just wanna do that shit.
Oh! Oh! This motherfucker. Oh, this motherfucker. I'm about to whoop this nigga ass, bro. Ah! This nigga, dog. Okay. I'm on your ass, boy. Hey, boy, I'm on your ass, boy. That's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna let you slide, man.
Fuck you, nigga.
All right, I'm on your motherfucker. You motherfucker. Okay.
Bitch ass nigga.
You see your ass way, huh?
Yeah, you too, nigga.
Alright.
We both way. Nigga, you fucked up my shoes.
Guess what, though? You had a long walk. You had a long walk. So guess what? We even did. Oh, you upset?
Well, take me home.
Take you home?
Yeah, take me home.
Nah, bro. You don't want that churches no more?
I'm not hungry no more, bro.
You don't want that churches no more, bro?
Not hungry no more, nigga.
You sure, big boy?
You know, my baby could use some more.
You know what I'm doing with this?
You a hoe, bro.
Guess what I'm gonna do?
You a hoe.
I'm gonna put this on my motherfucking channel.
You a
Cause guess
hoe.
what?
You a
My
hoe.
motherfucking light on. Welcome to my motherfucking YouTube channel.
Nigga, that hoe was not on when I got in here.
I had a tape right there. See my black tape? I keep it with me at all time. So guess what? If y'all like what I did to Slump, leave a like, leave a comment.
PT, I'm about to fuck. I got you.
He got
bro.
my hair.
I got you.
He got the new.
Nigga.
Hey,
I got you.
hey, y'all see? He tried to mess up the drip.
You wanna go
But
far?
anyway, y'all leave a like, leave a comment, turn on notification bells on, go subscribe to my boy channel.
wanna go far?
Slump check. Oh, he's still talking shit.
Yeah, I'ma talk shit, nigga. You wanna go this far? I
Guess
got
what?
you, bro. I got you.
You wet on my whole car.
Nigga, you made me walk and I'm wet. Oh damn, I did.
My boy did. Hey, but guess what?
But look, we
His ass-
even.
Hey,
We even.
that's what you do. Motherfucker get you in a prank, put their ass out on the freeway. Tell them to find their way back home. You gotta find your way back home.
I
But
got your
I ain't
ass.
leave you, though.
I got you.
I ain't leave you, though.
You did. You a real nigga.
I
You a
came
real
back.
nigga for turning around.
But, nigga,
But you know you fucked
that
up.
prank you did fucked me up.
Nah, nigga.
So guess what?
That does not beat this.
Hey, y'all.
That does not beat this.
I
but I got
am
you.
Robert
This
Brown.
does not got
PT.
Got you.
I was checking in.
I got you.
Now I'm checking out.
I got you.
I'm about to put his ass out my car again.
Hey, they loving my swag. They loving my swag. They loving my swag. Yeah, they loving my dab. They loving my dab. They loving my dab. Talking